Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL in case you're new to my channel, and today we are going to do the August Petit Vour Box. Woohoo! I know it is the middle of September, and to be honest, I kind of thought that I already filmed this because I rehearsed it about a billion times in my head. And then my September box came in and I realized I have not filmed the August box yet. So here we are. August. Going not back to the future, but to the past. Here's our August box. I'm very excited. This was a pretty cool box. One of the things that I really love about this box is that I think just about everything you can purchase in the size that is in this box. So some of the smaller items I do believe you can purchase in this size, so you can test it out and see if you like. Here is the front of our August card. And it says, this month's box is filled with beauty routine game changers, a twist-up brow pencil that promotes hair growth, a purifying cleanser that keeps skin clear, a tightening body mask that detoxifies, and a hot oil treatment for soft, luxurious, lustrous. Not luxurious. I'm sure luxurious too, but lustrous hair. So let's get on with it, and here comes the yawn. Let's get on with it. So first off, I actually talked about this in my August favorites. I think it was July, August favorites. This is the Eye of Horus Brow Define. This is a waterproof brow pencil infused with castor oil to stimulate hair growth for naturally fuller brows. This retails for $25. I have the medium shade, which is called Dynasty. I talked about this was great before I sort of changed up the copper tone in my hair. It is a warm brown, but it's not super warm. So now that my hair is this shade of copper, it's not quite warm enough. So I think I want to get the light shade after I have used this one up. I really, really like it. It is super, super tiny pencil, retractable, has a great spoolie on the end. It really wears all day. I have not tested it like in a pool or anything or in the ocean because I just haven't been swimming. But this is definitely a formula that feels like it stays all day. I can't really say that I've necessarily noticed any like new hair growth, but I guess, I don't know, I was like doing my brows today and I guess the brow hair that is there feels a little like heftier, doesn't feel quite so puny. So it's really cool that they've been able to do a waterproof formula that also has castor oil in it to help with hair growth. So it's a really, really nice pencil. I definitely highly recommend this one. Next up is a cleanser, and I'm gonna butcher the name on this. I saw someone talk about this, and I kept like saying the name over and over, and now I can't remember. Okay, so this is the Odacete, I think that's how you pronounce that, man. So this is the Black Mint Cleanser with activated charcoal and peppermint combined for a truly purifying cleanser that leaves skin clear and mattified without losing hydration. This size, which is 1.01 ounces or 30 milliliters, is $14. I believe you can purchase this size on the Petit Vour website. I will link every item down below to the Petit Vour website. If you are interested in purchasing from them and trying it out, but I'm pretty sure this size is available. So if you're interested. This I felt like was okay. I don't really feel like my skin needs like a super purifying cleanser. It was very lovely, and the mint is like very refreshing. It kind of like opens up your sinuses. So it was really nice, but I kind of felt like I like my cleanser to leave my skin feeling hydrated to where you know, shower time is like the only me time, and as soon as the like water turns off, I'm immediately back into mom mode. And so I judge a cleanser by if I feel like if I've gotten out of the shower and I'm starting to get like dried off and clothes on, and I all of a sudden have to like run out of the shower for some reason because the kids are being ridiculous, do I feel like I need to run immediately back and put moisturizer on? With the cleanser that I use now, I don't feel like that. I feel like I have a little bit of time. With this one, it's not that I feel like I immediately need to put my moisturizer on, but I don't feel like I have a lot of like playtime from the time I wash my face until I'm like, ooh, like I'm really starting to feel kind of like not so hydrated and moisturized. So I don't know that I would necessarily repurchase this. If I can get it in this size, which I'm like pretty sure I can, I would probably buy the smaller size and maybe use it like once or twice a month just for like a really good like deep clean. But I just don't feel like, I don't know, I like my other cleanser that I'm using just fine, and I don't feel like I need something like this deep all the time. I think it's like a little too strong for my skin for daily use. But for other people who really feel like their skin needs that like extra deep clean, this would probably work wonders for you. Okay, next up, this is from Formulary 55. This is their Sea Clay Body Mask. It says this all-over detoxifying body treatment mask is designed to tone, treat, and tighten, removing impurities, excess oils without stripping the skin. This retails for $8 for a single use. I know you can get this on the Petit Vour in the single use, so I will be sure to link that below. I have not tried this yet. I kept meaning to, and it's just one of those things where I was like, I just haven't gotten around to it. So it is a powder mask that you have to add water to. It says use a thin layer, apply over slightly damp skin and allow to dry. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Mask can also be used as a facial or spot treatment for those with oily complexions. So this I think would be great for anyone. I want to try and use it on my décolleté and see if it helps to tone that up. I think this would probably be really good too, like if you have problems with back acne breakouts, this would probably work really well, although I don't know how easy it would be to apply it by yourself, so you definitely have to have someone help you if you're applying this to your back. Again, if you are just very oily and you have a lot of breakouts, it does say that you can use to spot treat on your face. So after I use it, I will report back in a future Petit Vour Box unboxing and let you know what I thought of it. So last but certainly not least is a product that I actually already have, so I'm excited to have a backup. This is the Saint Tropica Coconut Hair Oil Mask. This says, soft, gorgeous locks are yours with this hot oil treatment that reverses damage, strengthens, and thickens hair from root to tip. The single size retails for $5. You can also buy it in, I think, like a 3-pack or something like that. You can also get a single size at Ulta, so if you don't want to order it online and you have an Ulta near you, you can check them and see if they have this. It's kind of a dense oil at first, and then you heat it up in the microwave for 20 seconds, and then you apply it to dry hair. The way I do it is I put mine in like a measuring cup and I put it in like sitting up in the microwave because I don't need this entire pack for my hair. In fact, this would probably, I don't know, five-ish uses out of this, so $1 a use isn't bad for me, I think. It is vegan, it is cruelty free. If you've never liked coconut oil hair masks in the past, especially if you just try it like straight out of the jar, or some kind of you know, coconut infused hair mask, I encourage you to try this one. The reason why I tried it is because Tashina from Logical Harmony had gotten it, and she tried it and really loved it. And she did not like coconut hair oil mask because she has very fine hair, and so do I. And she said that it always like never really rinsed fully out of her hair, other ones that she tried. And so it left her hair feeling really limp, but this one didn't. It rinsed very clean and made her hair feel thicker after she used it. And I would absolutely agree. It rinses very clean, and it definitely feels a little bit like there's more oomph to how fine my hair is after I use it. So I do really, really like this one. So if you've been looking for like a weekly hot oil or hair mask treatment, give this one a try. It's only $5 for the single use, and again, you'll get a couple of uses out of this. There's also biotin, and it says hair superfoods are in it. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but there is coconut oil, biotin, organic, something I can't pronounce that starts with a B, organic horsetail, organic amia, organic hibiscus, organic green tea, organic cocoa butter, and organic coconut fruit extract. So that is all that is in this. Again, I just think it's really awesome. So give it a try. You're only out $5 if you end up not liking it. So yeah. Anywho, that is it for the August box. It was a great box. Again, they always are. It's fun to try out all of these new products and get some favorites already for backups. And yeah, so that's it. I am currently trying out the September box items. So at the end of this month, I will throw that video up and let you know what I thought of this September box. So that is it for me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And to all of my lovely friends and subscribers who may be on the southeast coast who are dealing with the aftermath of hurricanes and are just getting into hurricane season, my heart is with you. I hope you are all doing really well and you are safe and you have not sustained too much damage to your homes. So yeah, be safe, and I hope you guys dry out soon. So that's it for me. I'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.